If you don't know how to go back on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, let me show you how to do that. So if you use 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen to navigate on this phone, then you just have to use this triangle button. It allows you to go one step back to the previous page, previous menu, or previous app, depending what has happened before, where you were before you opened the next thing. Now, in case you use gestures for navigation, then in this case you can swipe from the left side of the phone to the middle, just like that, or from the right side to the middle, just like that. And as you can see, we have this arrow indicating that we are about to go back, and it works exactly the same way as the button, the triangle that you have if you use 3 buttons for navigation. Of course, you can just quickly swipe, and there we go. All of these methods are universal, which means that no matter what you have opened, you can perform exactly the same gesture or use that same button, in order to go back. Leave a like and subscribe.